Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, something went wrong launching your game with error code 0x87e50038, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not, just click onto your username, click support, click onto Gaming Services Repair Tool, click start repairing them, and now wait for it to diagnose your issue. Once it diagnoses the issue, it's going to try to fix it. After it's done, you're going to sign out from your Xbox account. Once you're done signing out, close the Xbox app. Now you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your start menu, right here run, and then you're going to write here wsreset.exe. And once that's done, it will open up the Microsoft Store on your computer. You're going to close this up, and now you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, minimize the Xbox app. Now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click Properties, install files, and then click Verify Integrity your game files here. After you click onto that, you're going to open up the Task Manager now. So right click on your taskbar, click Task Manager, and now you're going to look for any service with the name Forza Horizon. So if you can find any service with the name Forza Horizon running in the background, just close that service. After that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.